Now to clean your PlayStation 4 Pro, what you can get is an air duster spray. Cost only £1 at the pound stores. Or you can get cleaning wipes that cost less than £1 too. Or you can get a small bottle of rubbing alcohol, which costs around £1. And most likely you will have these cotton buds at home. Or as an alternative, out of all of these items, you can get an alcohol disinfectant pad or a bud, which also costs around £1 too. Now the way I found it easy for me to open up the top cover was to pop up the middle, then go for the corners. It is quite stiff, so do be careful. Now this PS4 Pro is the latest model with a quiet fan. I bought this when Red Dead Redemption came out, which was over a year ago. So if you're annoyed by the loud jet noise PS4 you got, then I would recommend you upgrade. Trust me guys, it is damn quiet. Now from time to time dust may develop around the fan, which can cause performance issues. Now I've cleaned out the fan previously, but I'll show you guys the ways you can do it. The cotton bud is best for inserting through the fan for a good clean. Just spray some rubbing alcohol and gently wipe through each slot. Rubbing alcohol is good at disinfecting the bad stuff you don't want. As an alternative, cut a piece of cleaning wipe, wrap it around the bud and clean. Make sure the top and the sides are clean too. Now with the air duster, which is compressed air, shake the can good and in short blasts target the areas you want to get it cleaned. You can also use a thin microfiber cloth too, which I would personally recommend. And now your fan is super clean as new. Give it an overall good clean and you're done.
Let's start by restoring power. I'll navigate you to the substation once you hit the main road.